Accounts receivable and clearing out customer balances. Let's take a look. This, if you're using accounts receivable, you're invoicing, receiving payments, this is a very helpful report. It's the accounts receivable aging summary. And this shows you as of a certain date, just like a balance sheet, your balances, and it'll even show you the aging of them. So let's say that we'll just take bills. Let's just take the oldest one here, Red Rock Diner. This $156 balance is actually not due, and we want to clear it out. Could be various reasons for that, but we've already collected it. We issued a credit, etc. And we're not going to actually go back and fix it specifically, but we just want to clear it. So if we go into customers and Red Rock Diner, we'll be able to see this invoice for $156. It's overdue. It was already due. But let's say that we either already have received it or we're not going to, and we want to clear it. So what we want to do is create a credit memo, and usually good to do it around the same date if we're clearing it, or the end of the month, certainly the end of the year at the latest. So this is at 10/17/24, and it's helpful to, if we take a look at the invoice and make the credit memo for the same product or service. So if we were being precise, we'd use this landscaping sprinklers and design rocks, and the amounts would also balance out. But let's just do it for the total dollar amount as an example. So I'm going to say new credit memo, and let's make it at the end of the year. And we'll go ahead and do this landscape sprinklers. I think it was. Let's just say that. And I think it was $156. And we'll save and close. So what we'll notice then is QuickBooks will automatically apply that credit to that open invoice. Right? So now that's cleared. It's just a $70 open balance. And that's a feature you can turn on or off. Sometimes it's helpful, sometimes it's not. Show you where you can do that. See the option here. Some of those are available in this test drive account and some aren't. Well, there it is, automatically applied credits. So I was looking in the wrong place, advanced. So you can turn that off if you don't like that. Especially if you're doing a lot of them in bulk and you have a certain date that you want to be applied, you may want to turn that off, so it's not automatically creating it. And if we go back to our accounts receivable aging summary here, and let's just take a look at the Red Rock and see now it's only the $70 that's still open. So we cleared out that older invoice.